Hey guys, I'm Andrea Peterson, and today we're going to talk about Utkatasana, or what some of you guys have heard of as chair pose. Now, chair pose means powerful and fierce. The philosophy and origin of Utkatasana goes back way many years ago when royalty were the only people who got to sit on chairs. Like, this was a luxury. And the point of that was if you sat in a chair, you could overlook your property, your palace, your people. So it was a sign of power, leadership, royalty, and the idea of being seen and able to see things. Now, the thing I love about chair pose is I think, to me, the idea of being able to see and be seen. Sometimes we get a little closed off and we're like, I don't want to be seen. Chair pose was one of those poses that when you drop down into it and you really allow yourself to experience what the pose has, you open up your heart, allowing yourself to be open, and you can see as if you're on top of a mountaintop. When I sit in chair pose, that's what I feel like. I feel like I'm a strong tree on top of a mountain overlooking life in front of me. It's a great pose. Also, it really works the legs, and everyone wants a good toned thigh. The muscles that Utkatasana or chair pose work are your arms, your legs, it stimulates the heart, and the diaphragm. Things to think about in chair pose: drawing the navel in under the rib cage, dropping the shoulder blades down the back towards the tailbone, digging the heels into the floor, tilting the pelvis forward and up, and dropping the hips back towards the knees. A couple of variations in chair pose: you can add blocks in between your thighs for power. You can bring your legs together or keep them shoulder width apart. Your hands can remain at heart center, or your hands can be behind your back. Some of the modifications for chair pose are don't go as deep, or use wall for support, softly touching your tailbone against the wall. Some of the things to watch out for in chair pose or Utkatasana is a sway back. Make sure you keep your abdomen engaged and your spine long. Do not tilt your knees inward towards each other, but keep them grounded and straight forward. Make sure you can see your toes and they do not disappear behind your knees. Make sure your neck is not broken looking up towards the sky. Draw your belly in and protect your lower back. Some of the physical benefits of chair pose: it strengthens the ankles, thighs, calves, and spine. It stretches the shoulders and opens the chest. It also stimulates the diaphragm and the heart. Some of the energetic benefits: it strengthens mental endurance and opens channels to the heart chakra. So don't forget, Utkatasana means fierce and powerful. Think royalty of long time ago with their large armies and their vast landscapes that they own. And I want you to imagine when you sit down into that chair, that not everybody gets a chair. This is your chair, and this is your chance to see and be seen. You are the king and queen of your life and your world. Be fierce, be powerful.